Hello, in this video I will show you how to transfer tickets from Vivid Seat to Ticketmaster. Now it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is you have to first go to your browser. Then right over here, just simply open your Ticketmaster account. As you can see right over here, my account is already opened. Now over here, in order to transfer any tickets from your Vivid Seat account to Ticketmaster, you will first need to go to your accounts. Then right over here. Then over here in the order history, you should have your ticket right over here. The details, the ticket number, the seat details and the email address of the person that you bought the ticket from. If you haven't bought any ticket just yet, so in order to buy a ticket, all you have to do is just simply click on find tickets for a particular show that you want. Let's for example this one, click on find ticket. And then just simply choose a price that you would like to pay. Choose the seats and do whatever you have to do in order to buy the ticket. So simply choose the price, click on checkout and complete the payment process. Now once you will do that, you will have the ticket in your account section right over here. Now once you have done that part, go to your Ticketmaster. Now make sure that your account is logged in and you should know the email address and password and all of that. So now what you have to do is you have to go to your account right over here. And in your account, you will have your ticket right over here. Now, inside the ticket, you will have all the details regarding the show, venue, the seating arrangement and all of that. And you will also have an option called transfer. So just simply choose that option, which will be available right over here. Then you will be asked the details of the particular person on Ticketmaster. So let's say, for example, you are trying to give the ticket to someone whose account is on Ticketmaster. So all you have to do is just simply ask them the information that is asked to you on your screen in Vivid Seat. So just simply do that, and in the end this is going to transfer. But just simply keep this in mind that there are some type of events, venues and shows that doesn't allow any type of ticket transfer. Just simply keep that in mind, and that's it. So if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.